My name is Clarissa. I'm an RA in South Hall. I'm a junior studying English, and I'll be showing you a room today. With every room comes 2 desks, 2 wardrobes, 2 dressers, and 2 beds. You can set them up through lofting them and having bunk beds, or you can have them set up in this L-shaped form that we have right here. An extra perk of South Hall is the 2 extra built-in shelves and clothing rack. Here in South Hall, we have suite style bathrooms. You're gonna have to bring your own towels and toiletries, but you also get to share the bathroom with only 4 other people. One thing you'll definitely want to be bringing to college is your own microwave and fridge, because you're definitely going to want to be able to get food to snack on anytime whenever you want. And lots of storage. You're going to need lots of storage for your clothes and your school supplies and anything else that you might decide to bring with you. A really big make or break for room decor is wall decorations. They're so heavily needed, and as you can see, that's what we did in this room. Another thing you're going to want to bring to college is sheets, power strips, and extension cords. Thanks for checking out this room with me in South Hall. I can't wait to see you here at CU.